Hey y'all, so to start off, of course, you're going to need some BW2 powder and 30 volume developer. First, you're going to go in with 4 scoops of the powder, and you can get these materials from Sally's Beauty or your local beauty supply store. Once you are done adding in your 4 scoops of powder, then you're going to add in 4 scoops of your 30 volume developer. Once you are done adding in your developer, then you're just going to mix it up until it gets to a nice pancake batter like consistency. Once you are done getting it to the right consistency, then you just want to apply it to the very ends of the hair. And here I'm going up about 2 inches, but it really depends on your preference. I want mine to go up pretty high, so yeah. Then you just want to set a 20-minute timer. And as you can see, after 20 minutes, the color is beginning to lift. And now I'm just going up another couple of inches. And this time I'll be setting a 10-minute timer. Once that 10 minutes is up, then I'm going up another couple of inches, and this time I'm only going to let it sit for about 5 minutes because of course we want this part to be the darkest. This is how it looks before I dyed it and after. Like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, you guys, bye.